an overdenture
right here. And I don't want to take off too much. I think I'm going to make a model first, just so that we have an accurate representation of what we have here. So I'm going to go back to us. So I'm just going to make a little putty model so that I make sure acrylic doesn't get into this housing area. So we have our crack right there, and that housing is right at the lingual. There's not much acrylic, so we have a little crack. I'm just going to make a little model in that area to make sure that everything stays as is and we don't break nothing or add acrylic where it's not needed. Alright, then so we have our model now, so if acrylic runs anywhere or does anything, it's not going to get down underneath and impinge where that locator is or get underneath the denture, and it shouldn't make it so it doesn't fit. So just gonna check that this goes off and on here easily.
And as I mentioned, it is the same concept for regular dentures if they are cracked or broken down, right?
Yes.
Make a putty matrix.
You can use stone, putty, whatever you like. Sometimes you don't have to do anything. Being that there's an attachment, I'd rather have a model. So now I just got to go in and look at my crack. Probably bulk it up a little bit and leave it a little bit thicker so that it will have more strength the next time.
We all know the stages of acrylic, trying to reach the doughy.
So yeah, we'll let it set up a little bit before I set it in the pressure pot so that it doesn't droop. Like you said, we're gonna wait for it to get a little firm before we put it in the pressure pot. Keep it off the back of my teeth.